In the ancient world, long before the advent of modern technology, humans found solace in the expression of their thoughts and emotions through the medium of art. This story takes us back to the dawn of visual arts, where the first brush strokes, chiseled lines, and molded forms began to breathe life into the inanimate. In the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia, the Sumerians were the first to document their history and mythology through intricate carvings on stone and clay, known as cuneiform script. The Babylonians followed suit, creating masterpieces such as the Ishtar Gate, a stunning entrance adorned with glazed blue bricks depicting lions and dragons. Across the Mediterranean, in the bustling city-states of Greece, the art scene was flourishing. The Athenians, under the guidance of Pericles, built the Parthenon, a stunning temple dedicated to the goddess Athena. Inside, the walls were adorned with exquisite friezes, depicting the Panathenaia, a grand festival held in honor of Athena. Meanwhile, in the Asian subcontinent, the Indus Valley civilization was thriving. Their art was characterized by the use of terracotta figurines, intricate seal carvings, and well-planned urban layouts that showcased a deep understanding of symmetry and balance. Fast forward to the Roman Empire, where the art world was transformed by the introduction of mosaics, frescoes, and marble sculptures. The Roman Colosseum, a testament to their engineering prowess, was adorned with elaborate sculptures depicting mythological scenes and historical events. In the Far East, China was developing its own unique artistic style. The Shang dynasty is known for its oracle bones script, where questions were written on turtle shells or ox scapulas and then heated until the questions cracked, revealing the answers. Later, the Zhou dynasty introduced the Bronze Age, where intricate bronze vessels were crafted, often decorated with detailed motifs. As we journey through time, we see the evolution of visual arts mediums from the earliest cave paintings to the grand masterpieces of the Renaissance. Each culture, each civilization, leaving behind a legacy of artistic expression that continues to inspire and captivate us today. From the chiseled lines of the Sumerians to the delicate brush strokes of the Chinese, the world of visual arts has a rich and fascinating history that continues to evolve, reminding us of our shared human desire to create, to express, and to immortalize our stories.